Charley Patton got his throat cut and survived. Charley Patton was called father of the Delta Blues. He was the first of his male of his profession to achieve commercial success in his own lifetime. He was physically small but sang with a voice that suggested a working man twice his size. His vocal style was mostly gravel, but Charley Patton was capable of a decent falsetto. His vocal delivery was often barely intelligible. Sometimes as he sang, he conducted conversations with himself with such facility that people listening to his recordings thought that there was someone else in the room. He might have made a good actor. Charley Patton played the guitar with a mixture of versatile orthodoxy, weird invention, and circus gimmickry. Patton frequently played his guitar bottleneck. Patton often laid his instrument flat as if it were a Hawaiian guitar. He sometimes played behind his back. Audiences were snake-charmed by his trickery. Musicians were irritated by his trickery. On The Devil Sent the Rain, 7 quick plucks of Charley Patton's guitar strings simulated the eerie rhythmic spattering of falling drops of water. In his lifetime, Charley Patton directly influenced Willie Brown, Son House and Robert Johnson. A young howling wolf saw Charley Patton play. Sometime between 1930 and 1933, Charley Patton got his throat cut and survived. No one agrees on who did it. By common assent, Charley Patton got his throat cut in a bar after a party or frolic, as they used to be called. His throat was almost certainly cut by a woman, either a prostitute or any one of Patton's 8 wives, legal or common law, no one really knows. The motive was almost certainly sexual jealousy. Patton survived, recovered and recorded again. Listening to Charley Patton's 1934 recordings, there is a slight croak on Revenue Man Blues. His voice sounds more perceptibly damaged on High Sheriff Blues. It's difficult to tell. It might easily be what it sounded like to a strained ear, the after effect of the blues' most celebrated attempted murder preserved on wax and vinyl. But it might just as easily be a conjured phonic spectre, summoned by the seduced listener, keen to believe the best of the worst about the blues. Charley Patton's cut throat was as much his gift to the blues as any note he ever played. Thank you.